Hello everyone, you are watching the channel Incredible Facts. Today we are going to be talking about an aircraft that once rocked the entire military aviation industry. It was truly unique in its time and ahead of its time. We will tell you about the invisible B-2 Spirit. The B-2 bomber is a low-observable strategic long-range heavy bomber capable of overcoming complex and dense air defense shields. It is capable of attack missions at any altitude up to 9 miles, 15 kilometers, with a range of over 6,800 miles, 11,000 kilometers without refueling, and over 11,200 miles, 18,000 kilometers with one refueling, enabling it to fly anywhere in the world in a matter of hours. The aircraft has a cruising speed of 520 miles per hour, 850 kilometers per hour. Its distinctive profile is based on a unique flying wing design. The front wingtips are angled at 33 degrees and the trailing edge is shaped like a double W. It is produced at Northrop Grumman's Pico Rivera and Palmdale facilities in California, USA. In July 2019, the B-2 marked the 30th anniversary of its first flight. The aircraft has been transformed into a high-tech bomber with improved technologies for avionics, low observance, and weaponry. Apart from obvious aerodynamic advantages, the fly-wing design had one more advantage: low radar visibility. The bomber cannot be called completely invisible, but a significant reduction of the effective dispersion area makes this machine stealthy and greatly reduces its vulnerability. Composite materials are used extensively in the construction of the aircraft, and the hull is coated with a special compound that goes by the acronym RAM. It consists of several types of carbon fiber and has a high level of radio wave absorption. The development of the aircraft lasted 10 years and cost the U.S. taxpayer $22 billion, plus another billion spent to refine the machine. The aircraft carries all its weaponry inside and is equipped with 2 separate weapon bays in the center of the aircraft. The B-2 stealth bomber is capable of carrying up to 39,600 pounds, 18 tons of weaponry, including both conventional and nuclear weapons, high-precision munitions, gravity bombs, and a range of naval weapons. After modifications, the bomb load of the aircraft has been increased to 59,500 pounds, 27 tons. The B-2 baptism in action was the war in Yugoslavia in 1999. The bombers dropped around 600 precision bombs. To take part in the battle, these machines performed a non-stop flight from their base in the US to Kosovo and back again. These aircraft later bombed Iraq, Afghanistan, and Libya. However, they failed to demonstrate low observable properties. Air defense systems were not the strength of the attacked countries. The B-2 is powered by 4 3,300 horsepower non-powered engines located on the edges of the central hull. Each of the 2 engines has one air intake with a sawtooth leading edge and a curved channel that eliminates any irradiation of the engines. The nozzles are made flat to reduce visibility. The aircraft is equipped with a special system that cools the exhaust gases and reduces visibility in the infrared range. The B-2 Spirit is equipped with highly advanced avionics. The navigation system consists of an inertial unit connected to an astro-inertial unit, satellite navigation, and communication with reconnaissance satellites. It has 2 multifunctional radar stations. They enable the plane to flow at a low altitude circling the terrain, can work in mapping mode, and scan a 150-mile, 240-kilometer wide strip of land. The aircraft is also equipped with an electronic warfare system and target designation equipment that can use high-precision munitions. The Northrop B-2 Spirit is currently the most expensive aircraft in history. Including the money spent on its development, the cost per machine is $2.1 billion. Its maintenance costs are also quite impressive. This machine has been created for a nuclear war with the Soviet Union. The confrontation between the 2 nuclear superpowers, which today we call the Cold War, justified any military costs. However, even for this historical period, the cost of the B-2 seems clearly overstated. After the USSR collapsed, the B-2 lost its only worthy adversary against which it made sense to use the aircraft. It makes no sense to use this fabulously expensive and difficult-to-maintain aircraft in ordinary colonial squabbles. The good old B-52 Stratofortress or simply F-16s are enough to defeat ground targets in the Third World. The B-2 Spirit needs a specific hangar with a permanently maintained microclimate. It is intolerant of the sun's ultraviolet radiation, which damages the radio-absorbing coating of the aircraft's hull. There are only very few air bases in the world capable of properly caring for this aircraft. Currently, there are 19 B-2s in service. The Americans are in no hurry to scrap these Cold War artifacts, but instead are actively using them. In particular, they transferred some of them to the Lajes Air Base in the Portuguese Azores in the Atlantic Ocean, and their flights near the Russian borders have sharply increased lately. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. We hope you like this episode. If so, like this video and leave your thoughts about the aircraft in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new interesting videos.